Hello, welcome to Jobside India. Today's topic: acids, bases, and salts. This is Acid, Bases and Salts Part 1 introduction video. In this video, I will discuss about general information of acid. Acids are compounds containing H atom, actually containing H atom replaceable by metal. For example, hydrochloric acid HCl, hydrobromic acid HBr, nitric acid HNO3, sulfuric acid H2SO4, acetic acid CH3COOH. Here, hydrochloric acid, hydrobromic acid, these are hydra acid. Hydra acid are binary compounds of hydrogen and halogens or pseudohalogens such as HF, HCl, HBr, HI, HCN. Whereas sulfuric acid H2SO4, nitric acid HNO3, acetic acid CH3CO2H, these are oxyacid. Oxyacids are acids containing O atom, and in oxyacid the replaceable H atom should be attached to O atom. Again, basicity of acid is defined as the number of replaceable H atom present in a single acid molecule. In HCl, hydrochloric acid, there is only one replaceable H atom, so it has a basicity 1. Similarly, hydrobromic acid HBr, it has also only one H atom replaceable, so it is a monobasic acid. Sulfuric acid, it has two replaceable H atom, so it is a diabasic acid. In case of nitric acid, it has only one replaceable H atom, so it is a monobasic acid. In case of acetic acid, it has 4 H atoms, 1, 2, 3, and this is 4. But these 3 H atoms, 1, 2, and 3, are attached to C atom, and these are not replaceable by metal. Only this H atom, which is attached to O atom, is replaceable by metal. So, acetic acid has a basicity 1. Acids are sour in taste. Acids react with metals to release hydrogen gas. Actually, metals present before hydrogen in the electrochemical series, that is, these metals are placed before hydrogen. For example, lithium, potassium, aluminium, zinc, tin, iron. These metals can replace hydrogen from acids, whereas metals which are placed below hydrogen, these are the metals such as copper, silver, gold, can't release hydrogen from acids. Therefore, acids react with metals which are placed before hydrogen in the electrochemical cell to release H2 gas. For example, hydrochloric acid reacts with zinc. The H atom of hydrogen replaced by zinc to form salt, zinc chloride, and H2 gas is evolved. Similarly, sulfuric acid reacts with magnesium. H atoms of sulfuric acid replaced by magnesium. Hydrogen gas is evolved and magnesium sulfate is formed. Acids turn blue litmus to red. This is blue litmus paper. This beaker contains acid. If we dip this blue litmus to acid, it turns red. That is, acid turns blue litmus to red. Acids give H plus ions in aqueous solution. This is hydrogen chloride. Is a strong acid. In aqueous solution, it will give H plus and chloride ion. Nitric acid. It is also a strong acid. In aqueous solution, it will dissociate to H plus and nitrate ion. Sulfuric acid is a very strong acid. In aqueous solution, it will be dissociated to 2 H plus ions and 1 sulfate ion. Acetic acid, where OAC is CH3CO2. It is a weak acid. In aqueous solution, it will be partly dissociated to H plus and acetate ion. Acids corrode metals. Acid reacts with base to form salt and water. Acid-base reaction is also called neutralization reaction. When hydrochloric acid HCl reacts with base sodium hydroxide NaOH, plus of hydrochloric acid will be combined with OH minus of NaOH to form water, and an ionic compound salt NaCl will be formed due to strong electrostatic attraction between Na plus and Cl minus ions. Similarly, acetic acid reacts with potassium hydroxide base to produce water and salt potassium acetate. Nitric acid HNO3 reacts with potassium hydroxide KOH to form H2O and salt potassium nitrate KNO3. Acids have a pH always less than 7. In battery, there is 30 to 50% sulfuric acid. It is very strong acid and will be fully dissociated to H plus and sulfate ion. So the concentration of H plus ion of the solution should be high, and it is generally greater than 10 to the power minus 1 molar. pH is defined as negative logarithm of concentration of H plus ion. So pH should be less than minus log 10 to the power minus 1, that is 1. So pH of battery solution should be less than 1. Lemon juice consists of high amount of citric acid. Its chemical formula is C6H8O7. It is weak tribasic organic acid. So in aqueous solution, it has 3 dissociation equilibrium. This is the first dissociation, this is second, and this is the third dissociation equilibrium. So the concentration of H plus ion should be moderately high, and it is generally 10 to the power minus 2 to 10 to the power minus 3 molar. Now pH is equal to minus log concentration of H plus. So for concentration 10 to the power minus 2, pH should be minus log 10 to the power minus 2, that is 2, and for this concentration pH should be minus log 10 to the power minus 3, that is 3. So lemon juice has a pH between 2 to 3. Vinegar, it is 5 to 10% aqueous solution of acetic acid. Now acetic acid is a weak organic acid and will be partly dissociated to H plus and acetate ion. So the concentration of H plus ion of the solution should be moderately high, and it is usually 10 to the power minus 2 to 10 to the power minus 4 molar. So pH is equal to minus log 10 to the power minus 2, that is 2, to minus log 10 to the power minus 4, that is 4. It is found that vinegar has a pH between 2.4 to 3.4. Tomato juice mainly consists of citric acid, malic acid and ascorbic acid. These are weak organic acids and will be partly dissociated, so the concentration of H plus ion is low, and it is minus 10 to the power minus 3 to 10 to the power minus 5 molar. That is pH should be 10 to the power minus log 10 to the power minus 3, that is 3, to minus log 10 to the power 5, that is 5. So pH should be between 3 to 5, and it is found that the pH of tomato juice is 3.5 to 4.7. Banana. Acid contents in banana are generally oxalic acid, citric acid, malic acid and tartaric acid. All of these are weak organic acids and remain in very small amount. So the concentration of H plus ion should be low, and it is between 10 to the power minus 5 to 10 to the power minus 7 molar. So pH should be minus log 10 to the power minus 5, that is 5, to minus log 10 to the power minus 7, that is 7. So pH of banana should be between 5 to 7, and it is found that banana has a pH 5.5 to 6.5. Potato contains flavonoids, carotenoids and phenolic acids. For these, potato is slightly acidic and its concentration of H plus ion is slightly greater than concentration of OH minus ion, and it is 10 to the power minus 6 to 10 to the power minus 7 molar. So pH of potato should be minus log 10 to the power minus 6, that is 6, to minus log 10 to the power minus 7, that is 7. And it is found that potato has a pH 6 to 6.5. Pure water. It is a very weak electrolyte and will be slightly dissociated to H plus and OH minus ions, as one molecule of water dissociate to one H plus ion and another OH minus ion. So the number of H plus ions and OH minus ions in pure water should be always equal. Therefore, the concentration of H plus ion equal to concentration of OH minus ion in case of pure water. Therefore, minus log concentration of H plus ion is equal to minus log concentration of OH minus, that is pH equal to pOH for pure water. At 25 degrees centigrade, it is found that concentration of H plus ion equal to concentration of OH minus equal to 10 to the power minus 7 molar for pure water. Therefore, pH should be minus log 10 to the power minus 7, that is 7, and pOH also minus log 10 to the power minus 7, that is 7. Therefore, at 25 degrees centigrade, pure water has pH and pOH both 7. Again, at 25 degrees centigrade, pH plus pOH, that is 7 plus 7 equal to 14. Therefore, in aqueous solution at 25 degree centigrade, the neutral pH is 7, where concentration of H plus equal to concentration of OH minus, and pH below 7, that is pH 0 to 7, is the acidic range of pH, where concentration of H plus greater than concentration of OH minus. All acid have pH less than 7 at 25 degree centigrade. This is all about general information of acid. Must watch related videos. Acids, bases and salts, part 2, introduction, general information of base. Acids, bases and salts, part 3, introduction, general information of salt. Acids, bases and salt, part 4, definition, classification and characteristics of acids. Acids, bases and salts, part 5, definition, classification and characteristics of bases. Acids, bases and salt, part 6, definition, classification and characteristics of salts. Don't miss to subscribe our channel by